So guys, welcome to my channel English Babu, and I hope you are good. And today let's talk about English speaking. I hope most of you who have been watching or who have been following my channel, and most of the time you guys have the same question that, sir, how can we improve our English or how can we learn English speaking? So guys, when it comes to English speaking, I guess there are few things which we need to learn. That first of all, remember this: if you are a Hindi speaking guy or Hindi medium guy, I hope you can understand this, that English is our second language, or that is the reason when we have to speak in English, we never feel comfortable. The reason is that it is not our native language. So whenever we speak any other language, we never feel comfortable. But if you practice, I'm sure practice can make you perfect, and you can easily speak after a lot of practice. And now the question is that how can we practice? So guys, the answer is that there is no such a program, or there is no such technique which you can implement to speak English. The only thing which you can do is to speak in English only. How can you do that? Whatever comes to your mind, just try to translate those sentences in English, and slowly you will be nervous, you will not feel confident, and you will feel very weird, because it happens when you do something for the first time in your life, you are never comfortable. That is the reason you will not feel comfortable. You will feel like shy, sometimes you will feel weird. But anyhow, you just need to ignore these feelings, because if you just keep on thinking about these things, you will never be able to speak in English. And apart from this, guys, most of the time we think about others. When we speak in English, we think that what other people are thinking about us, what my friends will think about of me. And sometimes we feel that if I'm not able to speak in English properly, then what will happen? People might laugh at me. So guys, this is the thing which always stop us from English speaking. You never have to think like this, because if you think about others, if you focus on others, you will not be able to focus on yourself. So just ignore them, ignore other, right? And you just need to believe in yourself, feel confident, and speak in English. And most of you have been practicing grammar, I'm sure. And guys, always remember this: when we start doing something, the beginning is always tough, it is always hard, but when you keep on practicing, you master that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and bye.